Hi, it's Bobby with Office Tracker. Today we're going to go over how to use Office Tracker from any location. Users sometimes ask if they need to sign up for a cloud-hosted account in order to log in to their Office Tracker schedules from outside of their network. With Office Tracker, you don't have to be on a cloud-hosted account in order to do this. You can connect remotely from any location, whether you have a cloud-hosted server or a server installed at your own company. Office Tracker comes standard with the option for your users to log in to your Office Tracker scheduler via the desktop client, which is installed on each machine, or via the web client, which is a URL located within your Office Tracker admin page, which can be entered into most web browsers. Each user can log in from up to 2 devices per day. If you are running a version of Office Tracker that includes the web client, you can locate the web client instructions and link from within your Office Tracker server admin page. You will want to click on Scheduler Setup and then Web Client Scheduler. You will need to make sure that the proper ports have been opened in your firewall. The ports that you need to open are listed on step number 3 right here on the Web Client Scheduler instructions. You can then send your users the link that is located at the bottom of this page in the red dotted box, right here. Your users will use the same username and password as they use to log into the desktop client. Usernames and passwords are case sensitive and need to be entered exactly as they are set up in the names list. If you need to set up a new user or change a user's password, this can be done from the names list, which is also located on the admin page. Names list. You can add a name, or you can show names and then edit from there. You can still connect to the Office Tracker server from your desktop client remotely as well. You have to have the external IP address, which can be found under Server Properties, Server Status, and then the desktop client scheduler installation instructions are under Scheduler Setup. While you may use your own server machine for the Office Tracker server, there are benefits to using the cloud-hosted Office Tracker server. Some of the benefits of going with one of our cloud-hosted versions include quick and easy setup, secure off-site servers, easier and faster to implement, low monthly fee, no long-term commitment, no software installation required, customized URL for your company, automated backups and storage, and compatible with web browsers on most devices. Please contact our sales department for more information about our cloud-hosted options. That about covers it for today. Happy scheduling! Make sure to follow us on Facebook for more handy tips and tricks.